tea in the mornings, and maybe sometime I will eat in the day. I'm gonna eat every time. So you guys, the egg is here. We eat that's me can full my belly. So when me full my belly, I'm gonna have to touch back and eat again. So yeah, I eat, can I say, about 3 times a day, but basic no 2 times a day, because sometimes I don't eat in the mornings. I do not eat in the mornings sometimes. Sometimes I don't eat in the morning, so you guys might have shown you the sandwich bowl. But I take care of the napkin because they put it on the napkin, but the napkin is not so hot right now, so I'll take care of the napkin. May I try one style? So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you for watching.